Hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about the HappyCoin. Without further ado, I will discuss about this token. I will discuss about the tokenomics. I will discuss about the Binance Smart Chain scan and all that in between. The website itself has a really good design in my opinion. They say, don't worry, be happy, a charity-oriented token that is helping to fight mental illness across the world. Meet HappyCoin. The main goal of this coin is to bring value and support to mental health charities around the world. Let's talk about the tokenomics of the HappyCoin. So 30% of the original supply was burned. There's 10% tax on transaction, 5% distributed to holders, and the other 5% added to liquidity. You get profit just by holding, so they reward holders with a 5% transaction tax, which puts Happy directly into your wallet every time someone buys or sells. And also a charity wallet, 5% of the initial token supply has been reserved, 2.5% will be invested into financing the project, and the other 2.5% belongs to the charity wallet, which donates on a weekly basis. Let's take a look at the BAC scan. So the coin is sitting currently at 30,000 holders. Highest percentages a holder owns is only 1.7%. Want to take a look at the roadmap? So this is a very nice roadmap. In April 2021, Happy was launched. First donation. We can also watch the video on Twitch if you guys want to. Make sure to click the link in the description. Influencer marketing, community MA, community contest, Pancake swap logo, we got it. And the second donation we can also watch on Twitch. May 2021 coming in right now. CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing, Whitebit listing, website improvements, community live streams, merch, big cameos, plus influencer marketing, more donations, major influencer partnership, Happy vlogs, and other major CAX listings. In June 2021, we got NFT marketplace, charity voting web app, in-person donation events, and more coming soon. We can see here the founder of Happy. His name is Sawyer. He is a serial entrepreneur who at 23 has started a full six-figure business in the home service and e-commerce space. They got an audit from Desert Swap that they passed with flying colors. So quick disclaimer guys, whenever you want to buy a HappyCoin, you have to use version 1 on Pancake swap, as the migration v2 isn't completed yet. So don't forget to put the slippage tolerance on 11% and just click on swap. After that, click on confirm swap. MetaMask will give you a notification, just click on confirm. After that, you'll have HappyCoin in your wallet. That's how easy it is. That being said guys, this is it for today's video. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications, and don't forget to be happy. All the links will be in the description. Flash out.